In this video, you'll learn how to download Webflow templates for free. By following these steps, you will be able to access and export templates from Webflow efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see options for accessing your projects. Next, locate the site section on the dashboard. This area displays all your existing sites. If you do not see your sites, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your login credentials to proceed. After that, select a site you wish to download the template from, click on the site name, and you will be directed to the site's overview page. This page provides options to manage your project. Once this appears, look for the button labeled Open in Webflow. Clicking this will take you into the site editor where you can manage and publish your site. Now find the Publish button, usually located in the upper right corner of the editor. Clicking this will prompt you to publish your site, making it accessible online. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the site has been published successfully. After publishing, select the option labeled Publish to Selected Domains. This step is crucial as it ensures your site is live on the chosen domains. Again, wait for the confirmation that the publication is complete. Next, click on the Open Site button to view your published site. This action will redirect you to the live version of your site. Make sure the site appears correctly before proceeding. Now, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This URL is essential for the next steps in the template export process. Ensure you have copied it correctly to avoid any issues later. Then navigate to the Webflow export site. Enter the URL you just copied into the designated field on the export page. This is where you will initiate the export process. After entering the URL, click on the Export button. This action will begin the process of exporting your website template. You might see a loading indicator as the site is prepared for export. Once the export process begins, a message stating exporting website will appear. This indicates that your request is being processed. The duration of this step may vary based on the size of your site and your internet speed. Finally, once the export is complete, you will receive a notification or prompt to download the exported files. Make sure to check your available storage space before downloading large files, as insufficient space can interrupt the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.